Documentation 727 KMC7 in const macros by system. Within the key bindings constant section, we have the editor control 1 key bindings, and we have render pipeline load 1 through 9 bindings assigned to the 1 through 9 keys. These are going to be the keys on the letter pad. Also, we have the letterbox toggling, we have the mirror mode toggling, and then we have the mirroring of the internals of the auto tile toggling, and this mode only does anything when this mode is also turned on. Okay, let's go down to the next section. So in keyboard master down, when the program is behaving as an editor, in this section here are the different key bindings for the render pipeline load. Right beneath, I guess, key masked pad num and sexy cam pad code. Right down here, we haven't actually changed these bindings, right? We're not actually using the constants here, but what we are doing is we are using the constants right here to make it easier to navigate to this section of code, right? These constants are not being used to make the code more flexible. Their only purpose is to make it easier to navigate the code and to consolidate all of these different strings into one chunk of code where we can have like a bird's eye view of all of the different constants that are used. Okay, so function assert key binding. We're going to assert that 1 through 9 is equal to render pipeline load, and 0 equals 0 here because I'm going to use 0 for something else in the future. And I think that might be it. Actually, no, it's not it. We also have the letterbox toggling, which is the L key. We have the mirroring of the internals of the auto tiling, which is the N key. And then we have the actual mirror mode that is toggled by pressing the M key. And then here's what we did previously. And then we have our footnotes. And you really want to go to the longer playlist where I describe how we pull the fast one. I'm not going to explain this diagram here because we don't have time. And it's just like Rick and Morty, right? It's just like Rick and Morty. It works just like that. Okay, so anyways, you have been here on the fast playlist. If you want a longer explanation, go here. If you just want technical demos, go here. Source code is here. And ways to get a hold of me are here. So like, subscribe, send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder, and I am making a game engine, a fully destructible fractal geometry game engine, open sourcing it, and documenting every single line of code.